No one is buying honey anymore after this genius idea. In a container, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, let's add 100 ml of water. Let's mix everything together well. After that, set it aside. In a frying pan, now let's add a cup of sugar. Now we just stir it gradually until it turns into caramel. And this is the perfect consistency. Once done, let's now add 100 ml of water. As soon as it starts to bubble, add all the mixture we made earlier. And this, folks, is the perfect consistency. Look how amazing it looks. Now just pour it into a container, enjoy it, or store it as you wish. I hope you all enjoyed it. Try it at your home. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. Until next time. Thanks.